special video dedicated for those families or retiree or people that wants to explore another country and relocate, because cost of living is very important. You want to stretch your money as much as you can, but you're looking for something that is in a calm location, safe location, but something where you can establish yourself and feel comfortable, especially if you say, Carlos, I'm ready, my pension is coming, but I want to stretch my money as much as I can. What can I find in Nicaragua? Let's go and see this video because it's for you. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, beautiful landscaping, over 3,000 square feet home, probably over 800 square meter lot. This is your video. I always like to see the kitchen, guys, because it's where I'm gonna probably spend more of the time when I'm looking at a house. And this is a great one. I like the concept. It's simple and easy, flat units, open kitchen like this, where I can easily interact with my customers, friends, and family. You can tell everything is set up and very organized and clean. They actually did a good job with the roof, the ceiling, everything. All the ceiling is made of wood. It's perfect. Oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you. This unit comes with the central, main split unit that's just for the living space to keep this place fresh. I was telling people before that this is a 3 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms when I was talking to the owner, because they said, Carlos, this is our laundry, this is our storage room. But actually what they can tell now, it's a extra 3rd bedrooms where we have the laundry. It could be the walk-in closet, and it comes with its full bathroom as well. So let's continue walking through here. Another thing you can tell right away, the house is flat, 1 level, just 1 level. So it means if you retire, you don't want to deal with stairs anymore. You don't want to deal with the hassle of going up, going down all the time, because your knees, because you just want to relax. For instance, look at this. Beautiful layout. 2 chairs, your TV, from where I can tell the view of the landscaping, which is huge and open. This is actually a very cool layout. I like the way they did it. The space wide open, no large. And from here, we have the door that can access to you straight out, where we have another part of the property, which is nice. We're gonna look at that in a minute. So in the meantime, I want you to explore with me the rest of the house, which is here, where we have the 2 bedrooms with the Jack and Jill bathrooms. Where we are, that's another thing. The location of the property is ideal for people that wants to retire, but they don't want to be too close, too far away, but you need to have the convenience. It's like a public transportation passing by. It's not even 200 meters from the highway. It's in between Managua, Nindiri, Masaya. That converts this location ideal, because you can actually go back to Managua in less than 20 minutes, and you can go straight to Masaya in less than 20 minutes as well. So actually you have 2 vibrant cities close by where you can go and have a good time, meet the people, Lake View or the Lagoon, Masaya right there, or you just go straight to Managua where you need to do your groceries, your shopping. It's just right there, very easy. Try to do it after, in between 9 to maybe 2 o'clock, because then the rush hour is pretty intense. Especially if you're thinking, Carlos, I want to buy a house for me and my wife, or for my husband and myself, and we're looking something easy and simple and ready to go. This is definitely a good option that is coming to the market now. You can find this one in our website, TikTok, Instagram, and evidently you can find us in YouTube, where I'm gonna share with you my telephone number and email, and you can say, Carlos, I'm a Canadian also, or I'm moving to other countries, or I've been thinking for a while, why not? So if you are from Canada, I have a special announcement for those customers or potential people that wants to buy a property here and retire, especially if you're from Canada. So I'm gonna let you know before the finish of the end of the video, so you will see, wow, that sounds like a great deal. Yes, but you have to stay tuned and you have to stay all the way to the video if you want to know exactly what I mean. Why it could be a great deal for you with your Canadian dollars. Oh yeah, you gotta see it. I'll tell you later. Amazing. This is a beautiful piece of property, I can tell you. They did an amazing job with the fence around the whole property and also the electrical fence. It's an extra device. When you're not in the country, probably you want to feel extra secure, which is an additional item that comes with the property as well. Now you can tell the land is wide open here. For the next owner of this property, going to have a big plus, having so many fruit trees already growing. This is close to the volcano of Masaya, so you can tell the volcanic soil is super rich for fruit trees like this one. For instance, look at this. We have sour orange. Oh man. Can you imagine waking up in the morning, coming out of your home and say, today I want to grab a sour orange from my tree, directly straight from the tree. You don't have to go to the supermarket. There you go. We have lemon trees also, we have coconut trees, we have mango trees. It's just unbelievable. Look at this, another citrus right here. Come and check out. By the way, Betty's behind the camera today with us, so thank you so much, Betty. Say hello to Betty. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel so Betty and I can bring to you more information and new listings like this one. So anyway, check this. Another beautiful part of the property is also the landscaping, all the work they've done, organized. Everything has a nice symmetric lines. This is actually my favorite feel. You know the sour orange, you can marinate the chicken and the pork and it tastes good. So try that. But you gotta come here and buy this one. Anyway, guys, remember that I told you I have a special announcement for you. You are in Canada now and you're looking to buy a property in another country, but you know you have to transfer your Canadian dollars to sometimes to American dollars. Well, guess what? The owner of this property is a citizen from Canada. And they say, Carlos, if somebody from Canada is watching this video now and is willing to buy the property, what it is and as is, I'm willing to accept 175,000 Canadian dollars. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, Betty, who's behind the camera, and you for watching this video and helping us to make this channel grow. If you are looking something special with a great price, ready to go. And if you are from Canada, I have a special deal. Don't worry, you don't need to spend money to change the dollars. Use your $175,000 Canadian dollars and you can buy it directly from the seller in Canada, and we sign the documents in Nicaragua. You have to come, you have to see it. But if you say, Carlos, I love it, how can I contact you? Here you are, my telephone number and my email. And I can talk to you and say how you can make it happen and how you can take it out of the market. And very soon we are going to have this one in all the social media. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, I want to see you at the next adventure.